All village ladies are illiterate. They have no sense. They have no sweet sense. They don't know how to live their life. And they are Dihati people. Many people, when they heard this name, Dihati or a villager, only this thought appears in their mind. A villager means a good for nothing, a person who is good for nothing. But I have taken a vow to prove this thing, to prove these people wrong. That a villager can do anything, whatever he or she feels like. Right now, you can see I am busy with all these ladies. We are working in this field, and all of us, we are just transplanting the onion seedlings because we want to get onion as our next produce. We want to harvest onion because we need it, and we store onion for the whole year. We whatever we use in a kitchen, we grow in a field, then we use it. And here, everyone is similar. No one can find difference who is educated, who is not educated. Even kids, they are also enjoying this thing, and I'm also enjoying doing this thing. There's no doubt. However, when it comes to achieving my dream, when it comes to follow my passion, which is working on my communication skill or doing something out of the box, I have my own personality. My personality traits are totally different from all these ladies. But when it comes to working, I become just like all of them. I nobody can find even a single difference between I and these ladies, because we are supposed to do this. All the villagers, they are supposed to do the same thing. At the same time, I have taken a vow, I have made a promise to me that I have to do something out of the box. I have to live my dreams. I want to live up to my expectations, not others. And that's why, along with these work, I do something which I really like more than this work. I can stay, I can leave with this without this work, but I cannot stay. I can't help speaking English. I can't help making videos in English language. I have become a YouTuber. I have become an English language learner, and I am more than that. I have become inspiration for many ladies, and if God has given me this privilege, then it is my responsibility to do something for my viewers, to inspire them, to make them keep working on their dreams. Being a villager, maintaining all the things, maintaining each and every work is totally impossible. However, I do it. Sometimes at the end of the day, I feel totally swamped. I feel like worn out. However, when I try to hit the hay, I always think about content creation, making videos, what should be the next topic of the video. Because I'm totally obsessed with this. I have totally immersed myself into learning English. So even when nobody is there around myself, I just keep thinking only about English language. So I just want to say only one thing here. If you are a villager, if you are a homemaker, whether you live in city or village, but I have only one thing that I really want to tell you. Your identity as a homemaker, as a housewife, is going to stay with you. There's no doubt. But until you try to do something which can make you feel totally different, which can make you happy, which can give you something different out of this world, you feel like you are the part of that crowd. But I never wanted to be the part of that crowd. I never wanted to follow others. Ever since my childhood, I had this thing in my mind that I want others to follow me. And by the grace of God, I have got this opportunity by English language, by working on YouTube. And right now, you can see my husband, he is also there and he is instructing each and every one. He is observing each and every one whether we are doing our work with 100% or not. And now I just really want to do only one thing, that I want to live my life the way I really want. I don't want to bother about anyone's perception, but I really feel like I love doing it. Same thing I also want each and every lady to follow. You should not do something which can make you to regret later in your life. It's better to take each and every step of yours cautiously and never let yourself regret. So, what do you think? Whatever I'm saying, do you agree with this or not? Because many of people, they always consider women is all made only for doing household chores, but we have to prove them wrong. We are not born only for doing household chores. We are born to achieve our dreams. We are born to fly in the sky. We are born to be always over the moon, and we have the right. And no one can snatch this right from us. I know that doing this thing, it can be arduous for you, but it's not totally impossible. You have to live in your present. You have to try to take those steps which can really make your life like a heaven. And it's totally depends on you. What do you want to do, or what do you want others to do with you? If you have anything to do with others, everything to do with others, then you're not going to live your life the way you want. You're not going to enjoy your life. So sometimes we have to create some boundaries, and we have to set our priorities. And I think working on your dreams and developing a skill is the first and foremost priority of yours. So stop bothering about our others and start taking your step. We have to prove ourselves. We are not just ladies, we are more than that. We are those personality who can achieve everything.